Motorcycles. They're not just machines. They're an excuse to get out, explore, and enjoy the ride. I visited the Jaarbeurs Utrecht for the 40th edition of the Motorbeurs Utrecht. And to be honest, if they didn't tell us it was the 40th anniversary, we wouldn't have noticed anything different from last year. Same hall, same setup, same overwhelming amount of bikes, but honestly, that's not a bad thing, right? Because walking around with my brother, checking out new models, sitting on bikes we can't afford, and dreaming about future adventures, that never gets old. And yes, the drinks and snacks were ridiculously expensive, but somehow that's part of the experience too. Motorbeurs isn't just about motorcycles, it's about the feeling they represent. Freedom, adventure, escape. And that feeling followed me for several days. And after some days of gray skies, the sun finally showed up here in the Netherlands. So there was only one logical thing to do: take out my Royal Enfield Himalayan for 50 and have a blast. There's something about riding in winter sunlight. Cold air, bright skies, empty roads. It feels like the country wakes up again. First up, a quick lunch break at the KFC because every ride needs questionable food decisions. Then I rode to Amstelveen to visit Uniqlo, not for motorcycle gear but still essential. And then I ended the ride at one of my favorite spots near Schiphol Airport, watching airplanes take off into the sky. Standing there, watching those planes disappear into the clouds, I realized something. Motorcycles and airplanes promise the same thing: movement, freedom, going somewhere new. But a motorcycle lets you feel every kilometer, every gust of wind, every change in temperature, every smell of the road. You're not just traveling, you're part of the journey. The past days was a reminder of why we ride. Not for speed, not for status, but for the simple joy of going. If you love motorcycles, you understand exactly what I mean. And if you don't ride yet, maybe it's time.